Hey y'all, in today's video I just wanted to wake up this morning and I just wanted to film a video. I wanted to do a wedding eyeshadow tutorial. I wanted to dig into my Naked 3 palette because these colors to me just say bridal. I don't know what it is, but every time I open it up, I'm like, okay, this looks like bridal makeup. So I wanted to use these colors and see what I can come up with. When you do a makeup look for a wedding, you don't want your eyes to be dark. You want it to like brighten, and like when the camera hits it, it doesn't look so closed in. You don't want to put too much into your eyes. You want it to be light and simple. Something simple and easy and not too much on the eye. You want it to be bright and look open and not so closed in. Let's get started. So I'm going to take my Milani eyeshadow primer in Nude. Y'all, cannot believe it's going to rain the next few days. Oh my gosh. So how I usually do it, I usually do this. I think this is a foundation brush. The words have rubbed off of it, but this is my go-to brush. I've had this brush for such a long time. And as you can tell, I'm doing my eyes first. And I'm going to take my Wet n Wild and Fair powder, and I'm going to set these eyes right quick. I'm going to dip into Limit. Y'all, I'm never prepared. When I start filming, I'm never prepared. So I'm going to take my JH32 and I'm placing that all over the lid. I use this, where is it? So I've been using this Wet n Wild lip mask. And so need to do something with these crusty ass lips. It's like a gloss. I'm gonna see if this helps my crusty ass lips, y'all. Because Lord, y'all know I have some crusty lips. Really just putting it all over the lid. Then I'm gonna dip into Strange. Can't even see the dang words anymore. In this light pink shade, and I'm gonna go right here. And then I'm gonna take Nooner on the same brush that I'm using. And I kind of want to stay on the outside, and I can get messy because I can clean it up. I'm going to take it in just a hair. And then I'm going to take my JH33 and dip into Limit again. I'm going to dip into Dark Side on my same fluffy brush that I'm using. It is a JH32. See y'all, I need to drink some coffee. Like I said, you want to stay on your outer part of your eye. So I'm using a fluffy brush because I want it kind of blown out on the outer. Because y'all know damn well I need to start with my eyes first. And then I'm going to dip into Black Heart. And then I'm going with the same brush I had, JH33, dipping into Limit, blending this out. I'm dipping in Nooner. And we'll dip back into Nooner one more time. Pick up Liar on my JH41. Yeah, let me spray it. A couple of spritzes, that's all you need. You don't need to douse it. Like that, we don't want too much going on. I'm gonna dip into Nooner one more time and kind of go over just what I just laid. And then I think I'm gonna do a wing. So I'm gonna take my CoverGirl. I love this eyeliner. Let's do this wing, y'all. Don't want too much going on. Like I want to say, you want to do a soft glam look. You don't want to go all crazy and do so much with your eyes that it takes away from everything. Y'all don't want that. Y'all, I'm not prepared this morning. I just felt like filming. I'm all over the place this morning. All right, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Baby Skin, and this helps my pores out a lot, y'all. Because, you know, these pores and stuff need help. Oh, Lord. Which I already put, I've been obsessed with these oils for my face, and it's been helping me out a lot. All right, I'll see you. Yes, I do. Try. I've got to get a little fan, y'all. I've been using the Wet n Wild products, the face serum and the oil. I just absolutely love them. I'm obsessed with them. I got different shades in the Wet n Wild. The Dewy foundation. I just picked up Shell Ivory. Y'all, I just absolutely love this foundation. Y'all mommies ready for spring break? Y'all ready for y'all kiddos to be home? Where has the time gone, y'all? I'm like, where did it go? Okay, I usually use my IT foundation brush, and then I go back in with my sponge because sometimes they're a little too dewy. I like to shine, but dang, I don't like to reflect like that shit. Seen, but not like that, like glow. See something from a distance, you see it reflecting? Yeah, I don't want that. You want to be careful when you are doing your eyes. Please be careful around your eyes. I've got to dye my hair soon. I've got to get some sun, y'all. I'm white as a ghost. Ooh-wee. I've had this sponge, y'all, for so long. When they first came out, oh, I just won't let it go. I love it so much. And it has not torn apart yet. And I got a video, I'm editing some beauty hacks that I want to share with y'all, which helped me. So I want to share it with you guys. So I'm working on it. I just don't, I hate sitting at a computer and trying to edit. Oh my gosh, because it takes a minute, y'all. When you get in here, be careful with that. Because I got to get some brows thrown on. Oh, wait. All right, I'm taking my e.l.f. 16-hour concealer in medium peach. This seems to work better for me. I've got all the shades, but this one does it for me. Because this concealer is the shit. All right, let's set this face. Use to set it. Let's just do my hard candy translucent powder, the Marilyn Monroe. I love the smell of this too. It smells so good. I think I just inhaled some of it. Breathe. Y'all, I've got this stuff flying everywhere. And I usually, if it's a bridal makeup look, I always want the eyes like the T-zone, bright. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Master Contour kit, and I'm going to dip into the contour color because it's a lighter shade that I want to go for. And then I'll probably end up dipping into the blush and stuff later on, but let's use this contour shade right now. I use this thing like crazy. And then I'll get some brows put on. Let's bronze this face up because it is white as heck. Ooh, I need some sun in my life. I'm just following my natural contour. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Y'all, that coronavirus going on. I just watched Tom Hanks got the coronavirus. Him and his wife in Australia. Crazy. Stuff is spreading like hotcake. I don't know if I want to contour my nose. Probably not. Some highlight in here. And I always do my brows last. I don't even know why I do my brows last. I always do. Of course, y'all know I like my highlight on the bridge of my nose. All right, so I'm gonna dip into taking a Morphe. It's a difference. There's differences. Hang on. These are what I use for my under eye, my lower lash line. All right, so I'm gonna take the littler brush and I'm gonna dip into a Nooner. And then I'm gonna take the JH33 and I'm dipping into Limit. Going underneath. I'm just kind of softening it up just a hair. And then I'm gonna take my white eyeliner. It's by Maybelline and it is White Luster. Like I said, you want the eyes to like pop. You don't want them to be like closed. All right, let me go off camera and let me do my brows and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I finished And I want to tell y'all what I used. Yes, I've got falsies on. I never wear falsies, but I was thinking, you know, hey, it's bridal makeup, might as well. I put my brows on. I used my Maybelline Tattoo Studio in 380. And then I used, for blush, I used the LA Colors Show It Off. And I really like this blush and highlight palette, y'all. These colors are just so pretty. And it's cheap and it's affordable. Oh, for my lips, I used NYX. It's a matte lip liner and it is in Sandstorm. I use this all the time, y'all. Oh Lord, it's short now. It's like a little pencil. Usually this color pencil, lip pencil, is my favorite. And of course my Anastasia Beverly Hills in, what is this in? Pure Hollywood. This is my favorite, y'all. Favorite. And then put over it, I use the Baby Cakes by LA Colors. And it's a lip gloss. It's like a pinky color. And put it over my lips. And then for lashes, I use the LA Colors Dramatic Lash and Sultry. And I never, like I said, I never use lashes because I like my lashes the way they are. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick wedding eyeshadow tutorial. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.